Welcome to Weather Boy, the application that lets you check the weather for a specific location. So to run it, we type Python 3 start that pi to run the script. We select the location, so I'm going to use the place that I was born in, Castellar, and you can be specific. Basically specify the state, or in this case, I'm giving it nothing else because it's a very unique name. The result is the coordinates for the place, latitude and longitude, location of the continent, and even the county that is located in. And as options, we have C to see the current weather forecast, W for the whole week, H to see hourly for the whole week, O to change locations, and A to see how many astronauts are in space. For some reason, I thought that was pretty cool. And Q to quit. Let's start with the current forecast. The forecast is actually given to you in Fahrenheit and Celsius. It has wind speed and elevation. It gives you the time that it was done basically on the system and the time that it came from the API when they prepared it themselves. At this point, we can see for the week. And it's very similar for the whole week. Again, temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. It gives you actually the minimum and maximum temperature. We can see the hourly for the whole week. So that's going to be a lot of text. So bear with me here. We can actually scroll back. I actually made it run a little slower because I thought it looked kind of cool. So a specific time, you can look at April 5th at 2 in the morning. The temperature will be 58.9 Fahrenheit, which is actually pretty nice. At this point, we can see another location and we can select any place. So I can do Elizabeth, New Jersey. And that's the current weather for Elizabeth, New Jersey. We'll press C right there. Pretty warm today. Actually, we have some storms coming up. To see the number of astronauts in space, we press A, and it will show you how many people are in space right now. There were 13 2 days ago, so I imagine 3 people came back to Earth. So these are the people in space right now. And Q to quit, exits the application. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching.